Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English Conversation with Rajni. Today, I am going to share with you how to have the practice without partner because maximum people have a question how to have the practice without partner. Today I am going to share with you how to have the practice without partner because I have a one idea to be fluent in English, and maximum times I use this idea, so that's why I am telling to you. Okay, actually when I am alone at my home, so that times I use this idea, and because this idea is a fake story, fake story. uh, Anything you can create in your mind, and after that you can speak with yourself in English because you don't have any partner, so you speak, you can speak with yourself. But I want to give a demo because you know because I am having the practice with you. Okay, before starting the video, I want to tell you, when you tell your past story to another people, you will use in past indefinite tense. Okay, this is a rule. Okay, and because I want to tell a fake story, so let's get started. As if I was telling my past story because I went to my friend house, so I am telling. Okay, actually yesterday I was in my room, so that times I got bored, and then I decided to go my friend house, and then I asked my mom, actually mom, I want to my friend house, I want to go to my friend house. Okay, and then my mother said to me, yeah, of course you can go, but come back soon. Okay mom, I will come back soon. And saying something like this, I left from my home and I reached to my friend, and I knocked the door, and suddenly my friend opened the door, and uh, my friend seeing to me very excited, and then my friend said to me, please come in, and I entered, and my friend said to me, please have a seat, and I sat in the chair, and we started talking each other, and suddenly my friend mom came over there, and then I said to my friend mom, hello auntie, hi, how are you? And auntie said to me, yeah, okay, I am okay beta, I am doing well, and what about you? Auntie, I am absolutely fine. And saying something like this, auntie went to the kitchen, and auntie started making tea, me and my friend. And then we started talking each other, and after few minutes auntie came over there again with tea, and then auntie served the tea me and my friend, and we had the tea, and then I reminded, because I have to go. My mom said me, because come back soon. So then I said to my friend, actually I have to go, please let me go. And then saying something like this, I left from my friend home. I think this is a fake story. You can create any fake story, and after that you can speak with yourself. Okay, and in the end, I want to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like and share. Please don't forget the comment, because your comment is very important for me. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.